Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, March 3rd. It is Women's History Month, so be sure that you're reading the quotes for each day. It is Wednesday, so that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class, but let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, and then you'll click async. You have 2 activities to do in async today. It is very, very important that you follow all of my directions for this first activity, identify and highlight friends. All right. As always, be sure to read all of the directions before you begin. Okay? And I will go through it with you. So 2 weeks ago, we learned about fragments and sentences. A fragment is a group of words that expressed an incomplete thought. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. In today's assignment, you will be identifying fragments in a paragraph. These fragments are called embedded fragments. You will highlight all the fragments in the paragraph. So there is a document that you need to access. All right. So first, you have to read all the directions above. So read all of this. Then you will open a new tab. That's what number 2 says. Open a new tab, sign in to your Carlos Rosario email. So you open a new tab and you sign in to your Carlos Rosario Gmail. Everyone has a different way of getting to their Gmail. So if you go to gmail.com, okay, and I am in a Gmail, but this isn't the one I want, so I'm going to sign in to another Gmail, my Carlos Rosario email account. After you sign in to your Carlos Rosario email, you go back and you find the S for Schoology where it says identify and highlight fragments. So I will click this tab and I go back to Schoology. As you notice, I do not open a new tab. I just go back to the Schoology tab with the white S in the black and blue circle. Now, that's what it said. It said open a new tab, sign into your Carlos Rosario email, come back to the Schoology tab, click on My Document. Okay, here you see My Document. All right, then it might ask you to connect. It's your first time. Click Connect. And you will again find your Carlos Rosario email, click Allow. And now your document should open. Now, what you will be doing in order to actually access and highlight in this document, you need to click Edit. So here next to Submit, you click Edit. So I click Edit, and now I will read the directions. This paragraph contains sentence fragments. When you see a fragment, highlight it. So here is the highlighter right here. This is the highlighter. You can pick a bright color, pick yellow, bright green, or bright blue. Okay, cyan, it's called cyan. All right, I will choose cyan. And you will read and select the groups of words that are fragments. So let's say I select these group of words. I put my mouse, my cursor next to the first word I want. I click, I hold, and I drag, and I click highlight color. I select my color, and I've highlighted. Okay, so you are going to identify all of the fragments, and I'll show you again. You click where you want to start. You select the words you want to highlight. You come back to the highlight color. select the color you want, and boom. All right, you have highlighted. All right, if so you should try doing this. Now, after you finish, you can come back to Schoology and you click submit. And that way I receive your assignment. You don't need to share, you just submit assignment. Okay, and that's how you do this first assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's go to our other async assignment. In My English Lab, you will do an activity, a listening activity on SMART goals. All right, many of you have been doing your My English Lab. Keep up the good work. That's it for async. It is Wednesday, so Student Services has another wonderful opportunity. So at 10 a.m., there's Welcome Back Day. And Welcome Back Day is when you get to meet a lot of the partners and the resources that Carlos Rosario School partners with to help our students. So here are a list of some of them: La Clínica de Pueblo, you have Catholic Charities, the Mayor's Office of African and Latino Affairs, Bike Share, and so many others. All right, so here is the flyer. It is on Zoom at 10 o'clock. Here is the meeting ID, and here is the password. The W, the B, and the D need to be capitalized. All right, it's all capital letters 2021. And that's it. Good luck.